Start by tapping the Fabric Stash button at the bottom of the screen. Entering fabrics with the camera works best when you hold the iPad in portrait orientation. Tap the camera icon in the top right corner of the screen. Make sure your fabric is well lit. Natural light like sunlight will give the best results. Hold the iPad above the fabric so that you have about 9 inches of fabric width showing on the screen. Tap the white circle to snap a picture. The square unshaded area is what will be used by the app. Tap Retake if necessary. Otherwise, tap Use Photo. A popover will appear with the new fabric image. We recommend that you type a name or description for the fabric, but this is optional. If you have one or more collections you would like this fabric to be in, tap them now. In this example, we haven't created a collection yet. Tap the Done button at the top right corner of the popover. The new fabric now appears in the All Fabrics section of the Fabric Stash. You can also add fabrics from the Photos app on your iPad. Press the Home button on your iPad and tap the Photos app. Open the camera roll to view the photos. In this example, we have just added a photo of white fabric. Tap the photo to edit it. First, we'll use the Crop tool to eliminate parts of the photo we don't want. Next, we'll use the Image Enhance tool to improve our admittedly low-quality image. We'll use the Filters tool to brighten it up a bit. You may wish to use other editing tools to improve the image. Tap Done when you're satisfied with the photo. We recommend that you save all of your fabric photos in a common album. We'll add these photos to our Fabrics album. Next, double-tap the Home button to return to the quilt in the hoop. To add the photos to your fabric stash, tap the plus icon in the top right corner of the screen. Find the first fabric in the Photo Import screen and tap on it. Enter an optional but recommended name or description and tap the Done button. Repeat this process for each additional fabric that you want to add. To create a collection for these fabrics, tap the Edit Collections button. Tap the plus in the top right corner of the collection editor to create a new collection. Enter a name for this collection. Note that once entered, the name cannot be changed other than by deleting the collection and recreating it. When you have the desired name entered, tap the Save button. The new collection will initially show a question mark as it has nothing in it. Tap each fabric that you want to add to this collection. When you've finished, tap Done to return to the Fabric Stash. You will now find your new collection listed. You can also remove unwanted collections. Tap the Edit Collections button to return to the collection editor. Tap the collection you want to remove. The fabrics it contains will be highlighted as well. Tap the trash can icon to delete the collection. A confirmation dialog will open. Note that deleting a collection does not delete the fabrics it contains. They will still be in the All Fabrics collection, as well as any others you may have put them in. Tap the Yes button to remove the collection and the Done button to return to the Fabric Stash. Sample fabrics are a special case. You cannot delete sample fabrics or the sample fabric collection. They are needed to show the preview images for blocks in the block editor, as well as the blocks in the sample quilt. If you tap on a sample fabric in the My Fabrics page, it will open the Sample Fabrics editor. Here you can change the fabric that is used for a given sample. First, find the sample fabric that you want to change by scrolling through the list at the top of the editor. Tap the new fabric choice to the right of that fabric. Next, tap the fabric you would like to use instead. Tap the Preview button in the top right corner to see how that fabric will look in the various blocks. When you're happy with your choice, tap the Done button. This will update all blocks in all quilts that use that fabric so they now use the new fabric. As you can see, the preview images in the block editor now use the new fabric. To restore the sample fabrics to the original settings, tap any sample fabric. When the sample fabric editor opens, tap the Reset to All Defaults button. Tap Yes to confirm the reset. Tap Done to exit the sample fabric editor. All the blocks in all the quilts that use sample fabrics will be restored to their initial default. For further information on managing your fabrics, please refer to the topics in the library page.